What is this, Pragya?
Egg.
Egg. What is the spelling of egg?
E-G-G.
Very good. Find out. E-G-G. Very good. Slow. Very good. E.
E-G.
Very good. What color? Green. E-G.
G.
Another G. Find out. Only green color. Very good. E-G-G. E-G-G, egg. What color is this?
White.
White color. Take that. Very good. This one also. What is this color? Brown. Very nice. White. Find out. Very good, Pragya. What is this, Pragya?
Ant.
Ant. What is the spelling of ant?
A-N-T.
What is the spelling of ant?
A-N-T.
Take that, Lohit. This color first. A-N-T. A-N-T. Find out A. Where is A? Brown color lo. Pragya, you are also find out. A. That is A. Very good. Not this color. This color only. This color. Different color. This color only. A. Next letter? N. Where is N? Same color. Take that. Not this color. This color only. A. Where is A? A. Where is T? బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో టీ లేదా ఉంది. వెరీ నైస్, ప్రజ్ఞ. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? రీడ్. యాంట్. పుట్ ఆల్ కలర్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ కలర్ నేమ్? Next. Next. What is this color?
White.
Very good. What is the read, Pragya? What is that picture name?
Ant.
What is the spelling of ant? Very nice. Pragya, what is this?
Pen.
This is a pen. What is the spelling of pen? P. Say. What is the spelling of pen? Very good. This color only. You find out this color only. What is this color name?
L.
Yellow. Find out. P-E-N, pen.
అది గ్రీన్.
అది పీనా? కాదు, గ్రీన్. అది ఎల్లో. పి. E. Only yellow color you find out. Only yellow color. E. సూపర్ సూపర్ పిఈ పిఈ ఎన్ ఓన్లీ ఎల్లో కలర్ ఎన్ నైస్ నైస్ ప్రజ్ఞ పిఈఎన్ పెన్ all colors put here green put plain only very good what is this color name
Yellow.
take that yellow next what is this color name
Blue.
Red. Red color. Take that red color. Put here. Next, what is this color? Green. Another red color. And this one finally yellow. Take that. Very good, Prajna. One more time read. P-E-N. Very good. Nuvesh, what is this? H-E-N. Hand. This color only. H. Find out. Only this color. Very good. H. E. Find out E. E. This color only. ఈ కలర్లోనే వెతకాలి. E. Very good. H. E. Next. N. Where is N? Very good. H-E-N. Hen. All colors put here. This colors 2, white color 1, 2, white colors 2, brown color and yellow color. Find out. Your good or good. Very nice. That one is correct. Next. Next. Hey, don't go Srinit. Come here. Can we sit here? Next. Ask permission, Ara.
Brown. Shall I? ఇక్కడ ఆరెంజ్ ఇక్కడ అది ఆరెంజ్ బ్రౌన్
This one? Yellow plain. Very nice. What is this?
Hen.
Hen. What is the spelling of hen?
H-E-N.
Very good.